Hello everyone. Today we are going to revise Unit 2 Prose Flying Together, an interesting story. Let's start our lesson. Children, some of the things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time. What are those things? Do you remember? Let me say what are those things. Get up in the morning, do the homework, pack your school bags. Is it? These are the few things parents always will say to us. Is it? So now let's start. What happened when you did not do as they asked you to do? Let's see that. Okay. Let's read the lesson. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. Its leafy branches spreads out like strong arms. Okay, what? In the deep forest, there is a tall tree. The branches are filled with leaves, and the arms are very strong. The branches also very strong. Okay, leafy. Leafy means covered with leaves. Leafy branches spread out like strong arms. This tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. What do you mean by flock? Group of birds. What is the meaning of flock? It's a group of birds. They felt safe there. In that tree, there are a group of birds, that is geese. Goose is the singular and the geese is the plural form of goose. Okay, so there are a group of birds living in that tree. On one of the geese was a wise old bird. In that, among the geese, only one bird is there, that is very old bird. Okay, he noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. That the old bird is there, no, that bird has noticed there was a small creeper on the foot of the tree. He spoke to the other birds about it. The old bird spoke to the others about the creeper. Okay, let me show the image. Look at this image. So there is a creeper, no, small creeper. Have you seen the creeper here? So the small plant which climbing here, that is called creeper. Okay, geese. What is geese? It's a plural form of goose, and the geese is a type of bird that is large web-footed type. What is a bird? Geese, large web-footed bird. Okay, have you seen the creeper? No? Yes. Now the wise bird, what it says, let's see. Do you see that creeper? He said to them. The wise bird is asking to the old bird is asking to others, did you see the creeper? Like that. Let us destroy it. What the bird is telling, we will destroy the creeper. Why must we destroy it? Asked the geese in surprise. Other birds, they are asking, why should we destroy? It is so small. What harm can it do? It's a small plant, that is creeper. What harm it is going to do us? Like this they are asking. Other birds are asking. My friends, replied the wise old bird, that little creeper will soon grow. What the old bird is telling, the little creeper will grow so soon. They will grow very soon. It will grow very soon. As it creeps up this tree, it will become thick and strong. As it will creep, the creeper will get very thick and strong. What of that? Asked the geese. Okay, let it be. What is the problem with that? What harm can a creeper do us? Like this geese is asking. Don't you see? Replied the wise bird. With the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. A hunter can come up and kill us all. Now the old wise bird is answering, don't know what is that. What will happen? The hunter will climb by using the creeper, and he will hunt all of us and he will kill us. Like this the bird is answering. That is old bird is answering. Well, there is no hurry. They replied. What the geese is telling now, other birds, okay, now that is not very important, or that is not hurry to kill that, to destroy it. We will do it later. Like this, the other birds are answering. The keeper is very, the creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. The bird is telling the creeper is very small, so it will be very easy to destroy now. It would be a pity to destroy it now. Pity, what do you mean by pity? Kind. It is very small. How come we'll destroy it? Like this, other birds are asking. Destroy the creeper while it is still young. Now the old bird is answering. Now the creeper is very young, so we can easily destroy it. So destroy the first, like this, the advising the old bird. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. Like this is an old bird is telling. Later it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it. Like this, the old bird is answering to the geese, other geese. We will see, answered the other birds. But they did not destroy the creeper. They forgot the wise old bird advice. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. What the old bird said, other geese did not listen. Now the creeper grown very well and it started winding the tree. Stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as a thick rope. The creeper grown very well. Now how it is stronger means it's very, very strong like a rope. One morning when the geese had gone out in a search of food, a hunter came to the forest. What happened on one morning when the geese had gone out, all the geese gone out for search of food. A hunter came to the forest. Okay, so this is where the wild geese live. He saw the tree and he thought, he is saying to himself, that is he murmuring. What is telling? Oh, this is the tree where the geese live. When they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. Like this, hunter has thought. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. He got to the top. Now what happened? Hunter climbed the tree with the help of creeper. He went to the top of the tree and spread his net there. He started spreading his net. Then he climbed down and went away. Now what he did? After spreading the net, he came out. He went away. In the evening, the geese returned home. All the geese in the evening they returned home. They did not notice the net. What happened? The geese did not notice the net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. Now they flew into the tree. What happened? They got trapped. They struggled hard to get out. What happened? They are very struggling. They started struggling to come out but couldn't. Help, help, cried the geese. We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do? Like this. Now all the geese started crying and seeking help also. Okay, what is trap? Trap is a machine or other device designed to catch animals. Okay, here how they trapped? By the using net. Don't make a fuss now. Now what the whole bird is telling, don't make a fuss now. What do you mean by fuss? Worries or talking about something. Said the wise old bird. Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all. Now the wise bird, the old bird is scolding the other birds by saying, long ago I said to cut the creeper. You people did not listen. You all did not listen. So tomorrow morning the hunter is going to come and is going to kill us like that. We were foolish, wept the birds. Other birds, that are what they did, they are crying. Wept means crying. Cried, they cried and they are saying that we are very sorry, we did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do. Now others are asking and seeking the help of the wise old bird, that we did not listen to you. So what we have to do? Very, very sorry, like this they are asking. Then listen carefully. What now saying? Listen carefully, replied the wise bird. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. When the hunter comes, you all to pretend to be dead. Just lie still. The hunter will not want dead birds. He will throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds. What now he is giving an idea. The whole bird is giving. When the hunter comes, you all have to pretend. What do you mean by pretend? To engage in make believe. Pretend means act. Okay, just lie still. That the hunter will not want dead birds. Act like a dead bird. He will throw us to the ground. He will throw one by one to the ground. Till the last bird, we have to act like a dead birds. Pretend like a dead birds. Then he don't want to collect the dead birds, so he will leave us like this. The wise bird is giving an idea to them. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. The idea was what given by the whole bird. All the last bird, till that we have to pretend like a dead bird. After that, we will all together will get up and fly away like this. The idea they given by whole bird. In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. They all are dead. He muttered to himself. Muttered means murmuring. Okay. He threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then all at once they got up, flapped their wings and flew away. Now what happened? All they have pretended like a dead bird. Is it? They all pretended like a dead bird, and he also muttered himself, that is, he is saying something in low voice. He threw them out one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then all at once they got up, flapped. Flapped means to move up and down their wings. Flapping means moving their wings up and down, and they flew away. The hunter was taken by surprise. From the top of a tree, he watched all the geese fly away. Okay, children, have you understood this lesson? Okay, the lesson is this is written by Shiva Kumar, and the stories are adapted by Panchatantra stories. You know what is Panchatantra? It's a ancient Indian collection of interrelated animal fables, and it's written in Sanskrit. All moral stories about the animals. Okay, now let's see the new words. Geese is the plural for goose. Large web-footed bird. Creeper is a plant that needs support to grow, usually along a wall or a tree. Winding, go in circular or spiral course. Muttered, spoken in a low tone. Flapped, move wings up and down. Have you seen how the birds will move their wings to fly? So that is called flapped. Okay, children, I will read the lesson again and again. Find out the answers for these questions, and I will be giving the test for you on Tuesday. Okay, I will send the classworks also for you. If possible, you find out. Otherwise, I will help you for this. Okay, bye children. Take care. Let's meet in the next session.